Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare. In this guide, we'll show you how to use PDNob PDF Editor to convert a PDF into a fully editable PowerPoint presentation using our software. Whether you're preparing a presentation or just need an editable format, this process is seamless and efficient. Let's get started. Launch the software on your computer. Click on the PDF to PPT option from the Tools menu to access the conversion feature. Upload the PDF file you wish to convert. Here you can see the Convert setting page. Select the output format as PowerPoint, and you can specify where to save the converted file. If you need to process multiple files at once, you can add them all here for batch conversion. After that, just click Convert and let the software do the rest. In seconds, your PDF will be transformed into a fully editable PowerPoint file. Now you can edit, rearrange or customize your presentation directly in PowerPoint. This streamlines your workflow and saves you time preparing slides. That's it, 5 simple steps to effortlessly convert your PDF to PPT. Our tool is designed to deliver professional results, perfect for any occasion. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.